don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. History and people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Je m'appelle Macoumba Sarr, coureur paracycliste, participant de la randonnée Dakar, ziguinchor, Dakar. On a quitté Dakar très tôt, qui fait de cette 3e édition, on est arrivé un petit peu plus tôt que les éditions précédentes. Et on a effectué 160 km. Le nombre de participants est à peu près égal aux éditions précédentes. Et l'avantage de cette année, il y a eu des coureurs de Thiès, il y a eu des coureurs de Dakar, de Mbour et différents clubs et qui ont fait que voilà, ça a été diversifié et on peut dire que c'est une randonnée qui devient une randonnée nationale et que on souhaite dans les éditions à venir que ça soit international.